To operate the moonroof and sunshade, the power switch must be in the on position. The sunshade switch is located here. Push the switch toward the open position and release to open the sunshade halfway. Push the switch again to fully open the sunshade. Push the switch toward the closed position and release to close the sunshade halfway. Push the switch again to fully close the sunshade. Push and release this switch to the open position to open the moonroof to the comfort position. Push the switch again to fully open the moonroof. Push and release the switch to the closed position to fully close the moonroof. To partially open or close the moonroof, push the switch in any direction. When the moonroof has reached the desired position, push the switch once more to stop it. To tilt the moonroof up, first close the moonroof, then press the switch and release it. Push the switch forward to the closed position to tilt it down. If you've turned the power switch off and noticed the moonroof is open, you still have a period of time in which to close it. However, if either front door is open during that period, power to the moonroof is canceled. If the moonroof does not operate properly, see the owner's manual to initialize the moonroof. If it still doesn't operate normally, it is recommended you visit a Nissan EV certified dealer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.